To successfully link your bank account to Betterment, follow these steps. First, gather the necessary information, including your bank account and routing numbers, which can be found on your checks or bank statements. Next, log into your Betterment account and navigate to the Funding tab, where you will find the option to link a bank account. Click on this option and select your bank from the list of available institutions. If your bank is not listed, you can also search for it or add it manually. You will then be prompted to enter your bank account credentials, including your account number and routing number. After entering this information, Betterment will make 2 small deposits into your bank account, which can take 1 to 2 business days to appear. Once you see these deposits, return to the Betterment website and enter the amounts of the 2 deposits to confirm that you are the account owner. It is essential to note that some banks may have specific requirements or restrictions for linking accounts, so be sure to check with your bank if you encounter any issues. Additionally, keep in mind that linking a bank account is a secure process, and Betterment uses encryption and other security measures to protect your information. To ensure a smooth linking process, double-check that your bank account information is accurate and up-to-date. Also, be aware that linking a bank account may take a few days, so plan accordingly. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully link your bank account to Betterment and start investing with confidence. It is also important to monitor your account and transaction history regularly to detect any suspicious activity. Furthermore, take advantage of Betterment's customer support resources, including their website and customer service team, if you have any questions or concerns about the linking process. By linking your bank account to Betterment, you can take the first step towards securing your financial future and achieving your investment goals. With Betterment's low fees and diversified investment portfolios, you can invest with confidence and work towards a more stable financial future.